everyone, welcome back to another video. This is the painting I did, the last painting I did. It is now dry, but you know, it's not bad, but I'm not totally in love with it, so we're going to paint over this today, because we can, we can. It's okay, and there's a lot of gold in it, and there are some pretty colors, but no, going to paint over it. So I'm going to start off just by covering the canvas in black. Should be enough. And then I'm just going to use this brush just to spread it around. I want it to cover, but I don't want it to be too thick, so that'll do. Might as well just go around the edges too. Oops. Okay, that's fine. Right, then we are going to do a chain pull. So I am going to get the paints ready for the chain, and I'll be back. Okay, I am back, and there is all my chain in the paint. Okay, so I'm going to just put you like that, and let's get started. Some of these paints are metallic, others are not, and it is just a mixture of colors. Let's go. I think that is that. So I just want to, I want the edges to be black, so I'm just going to do that. I will touch them up again with black when it's dry. Like that. Well, it's not bad. I think the black base coat could have been a little bit thicker. That's why a lot of the black is showing through, like there wasn't enough of that black undercoat. But I think it looks okay, and I think it'll look absolutely fine when it is dry. So I'm going to leave it to dry. Yeah, I think it's okay. Let me just wipe my hands off. Let me bring you in for a close-up. Hold on. So there it is. It is very colorful, isn't it? And there are some really pretty designs in it. And I actually like that there's quite a bit of that black shining through from underneath. I think it just gives it that extra little bit of personality. Look there. I think it actually looks pretty cool. Pretty cool. See there? I think that's very pretty. So yes, I think it'll be fine when it dries. I think it'll turn out absolutely gorgeous when it is dry. Beautiful colors, beautiful patterns, some neons, some metallics, a little bit of everything in this painting, and I think it is really cool. What do you think? Do you like this one? Everybody, thank you once again for joining me today as we created this really cool painting. Please leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think of it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. There's a lot more really cool paintings to come, and you don't want to miss them. Okay, so hit the notification bell, hit the subscribe button, join along, and let's create some really cool art together. Please remember, all paintings created in this channel are available to buy in my Etsy shop, and those are the ones that actually dry properly and the ones that I like, not the ones that I paint over like today. Obviously. But yeah, go and have a look in my Etsy shop or in my website, and yeah, I think you will be very surprised when you see the prices on the paintings, because remember, I'm not selling the paintings to make any profit at all. I'm selling the paintings to be able to continue with this channel. So any support would mean the world to me. Really and truly it would. So that's it, everyone. I will be back tomorrow, so be sure to join tomorrow for another painting. I'll see you then. Bye.